A monster make idea!
It's a hilarious hairdo pot.
Yes, we can make a hilarious hairdo pot that looks like you, so we can have 2 Rebeccas in the attic.
Brilliant idea, Murphy.
Let's get monster making. Hey!
Amazing, Murphy. For this make, we'll need an empty pot with a lid, card, stickers, an old tennis ball, a hairband, oh, and lots of wool.
What would you like to do first?
I know. Let's cover the pot with a strip of card. You can use any colour you like. This is going to be the head.
Hey, 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 hey! Ooh, hold the card in place with sticky tape.
Now we can decorate the face. You know what that sound means.
It's time for the fabulous fluffs.
Sticky, sticky, glue, glue, this is what we do. Sticky, sticky, glue, glue, now it's up to you. Sticky, sticky, glue, glue.
Woo! Thank you, fabulous fluffs. I love, love, love that song. It always gets me in the mood to
stick. Come on, Murphy. It's time to decorate our hilarious hairdo pot with stickers.
Yes! Sticky, sticky, stick!
Sticky, sticky, glue, glue, now it's up to you.
I like to cut a circle sticker in half to make a smiley mouth. But you can decorate your face however you want.
You can even make one with 3 noses if you like.
But remember, be careful with scissors and ask a grown-up if you need help.
Here's the wool to make the hair.
Yup. It's not a hilarious hairdo pot unless it's got lots of hairy hair.
Yeah! Loads of hair!
We're using brown wool, but you can use any colour.
Yeah, like rainbow monster hair.
And pop the lid back on to keep the hair in place. Now what kind of hairdo shall we give our hairdo pot?
How about a monster mullet? Or a monster twist? Or...
I know. Tennis ball, please.
Here you go.
Thanks. And with a quick gather here, a twist there, and tie it with a hairband to make a ponytail.
Hey, 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 hey!
One hilarious hairdo pot. What do you think, Murphy? Does it look like me?
Yes, it looks just like you. Apart from the size.
Yeah, it is a teeny bit smaller than me.
Oi, who are you calling small?
Ooh.